Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. We're going to continue on with opening our little advent calendar boxes here. So today is December the 7th. So we are going to open up box number 7 today and see what's in there. There's been some fun little craft items that have come out of there. They're a lot of fun, and there's number 7 right here. Another small box. Now we've gotten some different acrylic markers and some pencil crayons, and what else? We've gotten some watercolor paints and that little calendar thingy. So let's open up box number 7 and see what's in here. There we go. Well, it looks like some more markers. Oh wow, what are these? Ooh, they're glitter markers. And again, none of these have any name brand names on them. No names. It just says glitter markers. So there is a purple and a pink. So let's get a little piece of paper again and try them out. Oh, they have a nice, I don't know why I smelled it. Do you remember those markers when I was a kid? I used to have markers that smelled like strawberries, or like if it was pink, it'd be strawberries, or if it was blue, it'd be blueberries, or different fruit flavors and stuff. I don't know. That's why I smelled it. I don't know. Anyways, look at the nice big tip that's on that. So it's got a nice point to it. Wow, that's pretty. Try the purple out too. Those are very nice, actually. They have that little bit of a sparkle to them. Imagine that. Can you see that? They're very nice, actually. Again, they will, be a nice addition to my craft room. And one of these days, we're going to take all of these markers and pencil crayons, and we're going to do a craft with them. Maybe make a card, or I don't know, do some sort of a picture or something. And we'll just use up all of these, the colors. I'm looking over there because that's where I've got them all of them laid out. But yeah, so I think one of these days that's what we'll do. We will open these all up, and well, we've got them open. We will make some sort of a craft with it, and we will use all of the colors that we've received so far. I want to thank you for joining me today for day 7 of the Craft Advent Calendar. Happy crafting.